Hi students, good morning. The equations of common tangents to the circle x square plus y square equal to 2a square and the parabola y square is equal to 8axr. Equations of common tangents to a circle and the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax is a parabola symmetric about x-axis. And the center of circle is 0, 0. So this is the circle. Now we have to find the common tangent. That is, maybe this is the common tangent. Or simply, for your understanding, just you can draw separately. So this is the parabola. So this is the circle in general. But here, center of circle 0, 0, vertex is 0, 0. Actual diagram is like this. Just for your understanding, I can draw in separate diagrams. So equation of tangent to the parabola in slope form, y is equal to mx plus a by m. So since the line is a tangent to the circle, so condition for tangent r equal to d. So there you have to find the value of m. After that, equations of tangents. So here y square is equal to 8ax. 4a is equal to 8a implies a is equal to 2a. This a is different and this a is different. Just like y square equal to 8kx. 4a is equal to 8k. A is equal to 2k. Like this, a is 2a. So equation of tangent to the parabola in slope form, y is equal to mx plus a by m formula, where a is here, this is 2a. 2a by m. So y is equal to m square x plus 2a by m. That is m square x minus my plus 2a equal to 0. So this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Now the circle equation, x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. Now the center of circle is 0, 0 and radius is root 2a. Here the line 1 is a tangent to the circle. Here 1 is a tangent to the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 2a square. Tangent to the circle implies the condition for tangent is what? R is equal to D, where R is root 2a. D is length of the perpendicular from center 0, 0 to this tangent. So where D is perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to the line 1. So this is the line. So from 0, 0 means what? That is c by root of a square plus b square. That is 2a by root of a square and m power 4 plus m square. There 2 gets cancelled and squaring on both sides and cross multiplication. So this is 2 into m power 4 plus m square is equal to 4. There again 2 terms gets cancelled. That is m power 4 plus m square minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now by factorizing this we have, that means what? By factorizing this m power 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 equal to 0. M square common, m square plus 2 minus 1 common, m square plus 2 equal to 0. So this is m square plus 2 into m square minus 1 equal to 0. Now m square plus 2 is not equal to 0, implies m square minus 1 equal to 0, therefore m value plus or minus 1. So if m is equal to 1, one equation. If m equal to minus 1, other equation. These are the tangents. Therefore m square, since this is not equal to 0, therefore m square minus 1 equal to 0. Since m square plus 2 is not equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus 1. Now if m is equal to 1, m equal to 1 implies equation of one tangent is equation of common tangent is x minus y plus a equal to 0. This is one common tangent. Like if m is equal to minus 1 implies equation of other common tangent is, that is x plus y, this is 2a plus 2a equal to 0. So these are the common tangents. Next one, the point of intersection common tangents to the circle x square plus y square 2x square plus 2y square equal to a square and y square is equal to 4ax is common tangent to the circle and the parabola. Parabola is this. So this is suppose circle. Same process. For y square is equal to 4x, equation of tangent in slope form is y is equal to mx plus a by m. That implies m square x minus my plus a equal to 0. And the circle equation, circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square by 2. That is dividing by 2. This equation. Center of circle 0, 0. Radius is a by root 2. Since the line 1 is a tangent to the circle, 1 is a tangent to the circle, implies condition for tangent is r equal to d, where r is a by root 2. D is length of the perpendicular from center 0, 0 to this tangent. So this is a by root of m power 4 plus m square. A gets cancelled, squaring and cross multiplication, m power 4 plus m square minus 2 equal to 0, just like a previous sum. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus 1. So if m is equal to 1, so tangent is x minus y plus a equal to 0. If m is equal to minus 1, therefore the tangent is x plus y plus a equal to 0. Now the point of intersection of these two, that means what? Solving these two by adding these two, that is 2x equal to minus 2a. X is equal to minus a. X equal to minus a by 0 implies y is 0. Therefore, the point of intersection of tangents is minus a comma 0. Just to try this yourself. The equation of common tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0 and y square is equal to 8x. Second problem, equation of common tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 2x and x square is equal to 16y. X square equal to 16y. So for this parabola, tangent is y square is equal to 2x, implies a is equal to 4a equal to 2, a is 1 by 2. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. That is y is equal to mx plus where a is 1 by 2 m. Now 1 is also a tangent to this parabola. So 1 is a tangent to the parabola x square equal to 16y. Implies the condition is c is equal to minus am square. C equal to minus am square, where c is 1 by 2m equal to minus a is y square is equal x square equal to 4ay. A is 4 m square, implies m cube is equal to minus 1 by 8, implies m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore from 1 equation of common tangent. From 1 equation of common tangent is y is equal to, where m is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2m, where m is minus 1 by 2. So gets cancelled. Therefore y is equal to minus x by 2 minus 1, or 2y is equal to minus x minus 1. That is x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So that is the x plus 2y. So this is taking LCM, this is 2. X plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0 is the common tangent. Next one, the focus of parabola is focus of parabola is 1 comma minus 1, and the directrix is x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Then vertex A equal to vertex A is here focus is given. Suppose this is the parabola. So this is focus 1 comma minus 1, and this is A, S, Z. But Z is the line is given x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Now I have to find the, according to the theorem, A vertex is the midpoint of ZS. It is given Z is what? Foot of perpendicular from focus to the directrix. So they get the coordinates of Z, where A is what? Midpoint of ZS. Okay. Now here z s is equal to given 1 comma minus 1 and L is means directrix is x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Now z is foot of perpendicular from focus 1 comma minus 1 to the directrix x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Now, what to find the foot of perpendicular? Let h comma k be the foot of perpendicular. You know the theorem, that formula, h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. That is h minus x1 1, a is 1 equal to k plus 1 by 2 minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So this is h minus 1 equal to k plus 1 by 2 equal to, so this is minus 11 plus 1, so minus 10. So this is what? 10 by 5, that is 2. H minus 1 equal to 2, h is 3, k plus 1 is equal to 4, k equal to 3. Therefore z coordinates 3 comma 3. So we have z coordinates 3 comma 3 and focus 1 comma minus 1. So vertex is what? Vertex A equal to, that is midpoint of ZS, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So vertex of parabola is 2 comma 1. Next problem. If a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax meets x-axis or cuts x-axis at t and intersect the tangent at vertex A in P, and the rectangle TAPQ is completed. TAPQ is completed. Then the locus of the point Q is locus of the point Q is here. There are options are given. First one is a parabola with vertex 0, 0. Second one, locus is y square plus ax equal to 0. Third one, focus is minus a by 4, 0. Fourth one is length of latus rectum is a. If a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x cuts axis at the point T, that is, so this is y square equal to 4x. So this is the tangent at the point, some point, meets axis in T and the tangent at vertex A, that means what? Y axis. And the tangent, that means the tangent cuts, that means what? Intersects the tangent at vertex A. Again, this tangent cuts the tangent, intersects the tangent at vertex A, means y axis at the point P. Complete the rectangle TAPQ. Then we have to find the locus of this point. We know the coordinates 0, 0. There are two methods which is I teach very simple method. By taking the parametric form, that is one process, compared to little bit lengthy, which is very simple, is let the coordinates x1, y1, coordinates of Q. What is T coordinates? T is the foot of perpendicular from Q on x-axis, x1, 0. What about P coordinates? 0, y1. Now x-intercept is x1, y-intercept is y1. Now equation of TP. Equation of TP is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. So intercept form. That is y1 x plus x1 y minus x1 y1 equal to 0. So this is the Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Now one is a tangent. One is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Okay, now you know the condition. What is the condition? Ln is equal to am square. Ln equal to am square. This is the condition for tangent. So this is L, m, n. Ln is y1 into minus x1, y1. M square is x1 square. So that implies x1, that is equal to minus y1 square, is equal to 1x gets cancelled, that is, so here ax1. Therefore locus is y square plus ax equal to 0. So E is a parabola, y square plus ax equal to 0. For this vertex is 0, 0. This is also correct. And this y square equal to what? Locus minus ax. minus x. What is the focus for this parabola? A comma 0, where a is minus a by 4 comma 0. So this is also correct. And the length of lateral rectum is what? 4a. That means what? This mod. So 4 options are correct. Locus of Q is also a parabola. E is a parabola with vertex 0 comma 0. So for that parabola, focus is a minus a by 4 comma 0. Lateral rectum is also. So 4 options are correct. Next one, the shortest distance or minimum distance between y square is equal to 4x and the circle x square plus y square minus 12x plus 31 equal to 0. Shortest distance. See here, shortest distance between any two curves occurs along the common normal. Common normal. See here, y square is equal to 4x. E is a parabola. Shortest distance occurs along the common normal. Common normal. First one is a parabola symmetric about x-axis. And the second one is a circle with the center. What is center of circle is? That is 6, not this here, 6 comma 0. So this is 6 comma 0. Shortest distance means what? See here, you have to find a point on this parabola. So this is the center C. So this is the minimum distance. So distance is what? PQ, that is the shortest distance. How to find shortest distance? Mod of CP minus R. CP is the distance and R is the distance. So this is the minimum distance. So you have to find a point on the parabola first of all. Shortest distance occurs along the common normal. So y square is equal to 4x. Now, equation of normal at the point P, T is equation of normal. Y plus xt is equal to 2at plus atq. Where a is what? Implies a equal here 1. A is 1. So, y plus xt equal to 2t plus tq. It is also a normal to the circle. So it passes through, means it passes through the point center of circle 0, 6, 0. Because the center of circle minus e minus f 6, 0. In place of x and y, write 6, 0. So this is 0 plus 6t is equal to 2t plus t cube. 2t plus t cube. So this is a t cube is equal to 4t. Therefore, t is equal to, of course there are t square equal to 4, t is equal to plus or minus 4. 0 is also a point, t equal plus or minus 4. Therefore, call it, if t is equal to 4, then the coordinates of p, a t square, 2at. Here a is 1. T square, t is plus or minus 2. If t equal to plus 2, so a t square, 2, the point is 4, 4. If t is equal to minus 2, then you can call it this, then p equal to, the point p is, so this is 4, minus 4. 4, minus 4. That means what? The point is 4, 4 and the point is 4, minus 4. So maybe both are same distance. You can take any one point is enough, because both the points are symmetric. 4, 4, 4, minus 4, and the center lies on x-axis. Therefore, this distance is also equal to this distance. So, shortest distance equal to mod of Cp minus R, where C is center, 6, 0, P is where Cp equal to distance between the points, root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That is what? Root of 4 plus 16, root 20, that is 2 root 5. And the radius equal to root of g square, 36, minus 31, that is root 5. Therefore, shortest distance equal to mod of Cp minus R, that is 2 root 5 minus root 5, that equal to root 5. Okay, so this is the process to find the shortest distance. Sometimes the question gives the point on the parabola which is nearest to the cursor given. That means it is a point is enough. But here the shortest distance means this distance. Now the shortest distance between y square is equal to 8x and x square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to 1. So you can do the same process. First of all, find the point, after that find the shortest distance. And the shortest distance between y square is equal to 4x and x square plus y square minus 24y plus 128 is equal to 0. Shortest distance. So in the same process, shortest distance occurs along the common normal. And to try one problem also. The equations of tangents to the parabola y square equal to 8x, which makes an angle (45 degrees) with the line y is equal to 3x plus 5. Which makes an angle 45 degrees with this line. So how to solve this problem? Equation of tangent to the parabola y is equal to mx plus a by m, where a is 2 by m. Now our aim is to find out the value of m. This tangent makes an angle 45 degrees with this line. This tangent makes an angle 45 degrees with this line. Now what is slope of this line? Slope is equal to 3. Now what is angle between these two? 45 degrees. So what about tan theta? Mod of m1 minus m2 1 plus m into 3. Theta is equal to given 45 degrees. Tan 45 value is 1. That implies what? 1 plus 3m equal to mod means what? Plus or minus m minus 3. So if you take plus, you get one value. If you take minus, you get other value. So we are having two values. If m equal to 1, you get one equation. If m equal to other value, get another equation. Okay, you try these three sums. Thank you.